Wait, this was recording. Oh no. Hey folks, so we'll be going out for tapas today, and this is my first time going for tapas since the stay-at-home orders have been lifted. So I'm looking forward to see how different it looks now going out compared to before, and I mean specifically like to restaurants. So I'll be taking you along with me. And as you can see, my hair isn't really out. I haven't really done much with it because when our friend invited us out, it was like 2 hours ago, and I had decided to moisturize my hair and to put it in a protective style. And you naturals know that if your hair is wet and you let it out, then it will just get frizzy. So I just think it's best to let it, stay how it is. But I try to look cute. Oh boy, I don't know, I'm just gonna let it go because when I come home I'll have to put it up anyway. So I'm just gonna let it be. Remember you were talking about Belen, how you met up with some of her friends?
Oh yeah.
And they were there in the park for like an hour?
Oh yeah. They was like a granddad city. Hey kids, enjoy.
Antonio! You read?
Yeah.
What kind of reading?
Literature, I mean, for the master.
Oh, okay. What masters are you getting again?
Teacher, English, yeah, English teacher.
Ah, okay.
It's the same now.
Yeah.
Antonio. Now you did the master 1 year. 1 year?
1 year. Yeah, last year. Last year? Yeah. Last year.
Oh, your master's was for 1 year?
Yes, just
This
1 year.
master year.
Okay. So nice. Yeah.
In
You
back
can do it even in 2 years.
in what? But never got.
Antonio,
That's
you
it.
missed my birthday. You forgot my birthday.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh.
When was it?
April 21.
Oh, mama mia.
It's 7 years.
Happy
7 years.
birthday!
I can celebrate it now.
I wrote it down. I think I've got it in
Okay.
someplace. But because I don't use Facebook or Instagram or anything.
Gracias.
What?
It's what I had to do. Yes. I got a blender.
I didn't
Yeah,
have
she
a
did.
party.
Yeah.
Dime. Hostia, espera.
Se ha cogido.
Relaxing day.
No, hombre, pero menos que cuesta por cada segundo de eso. ¿Que dónde está? Ah, sobre el establecimiento. 60, sí, sí.
Y de japonés.
When they used to speak. So I never asked how do you write it. Okay, let's go. So I never learned that word.
What kind of beers?
Okay.
We're finished for the night. Yeah. What are you gonna do this summer?
Maybe go to the beach.
Oh yeah, looking forward to that.
I was working with
Working on summer. Come on.
working too always.
Are you a teacher?
No.
Oh, okay, so you
Seller,
have to work. You're what now?
seller.
Oh, okay, so you have to work. Yeah. Okay, we are home. And it was really fun, really great to meet up with Antonio and other friends. I thought it would just be Antonio, but it's great. I'm glad we could meet up with other people. And as you can see, the time is really late. But it was worth it. So now I'm gonna go shower and then sleep. I'm glad I didn't take my hair down because then I'd have to take the time to do this and anyways, I hope to see you soon. Have a great day or night.